In this video, we are going to see how we can easily resolve this error code 533 in Roblox that says join error, your privacy settings prevent you from joining this server. So here are some of the solutions that might work for you. First of all, let's go to the start menu, and here we will search for Roblox. Once you find that, you just right click on that. And what you can do is just always run as administrator. Click on run as administrator, click yes. So if it opens up properly, that is great. Otherwise, what you can do is just reset the app. For that, we want to head over to the roblox.com on the browser. And once you do that, you just search for any particular game. So we click on the game and make sure that it is not using any Robux, because we are just resolving this issue. So let's search for actually please donate games, because that doesn't involve any Robux. So we click on that, click on play, and what this will do is this will either show up the option of open Roblox game client so that it will load up the game in the application, or you will get the download button right here. So click on the download and it will download a fresh setup for you. So once it is downloaded, you can reinstall the game. So let's quickly uninstall it first. We head over to the settings from the start menu, head over to the settings, click on the apps on the left hand side. Once you click on that, click on installed apps, and from here we will search for Roblox. Here it is. Click on uninstall. It will only take a few moments to uninstall that, and after that you can continue with the installation of the fresh copy. And once it is installed, you will notice that it will log in the application automatically with your credentials, because it has your credentials saved at the backend. So this is how you can reinstall a fresh copy and you get rid of all the errors basically. If you're still getting the error, what you can do is just click on this settings gear icon on the Roblox browser, and you click on the settings, click on privacy and security, and just make sure that your content majority is set to either moderate or restricted. So that will solve the problem. Just try changing it to different places and hopefully you should be able to get rid of this error. So if that resolves the error, that is great. But if not, what you can do is try disconnecting all the VPNs. If you have connected any VPN to it, just try switching it off, and also just make sure that you are connected to the right network. Try disconnecting it from one network and switch to another and see if that works. Also, just try changing and synchronizing the date and time, because if your date and time is not correct, it will not play the game correctly. And sometimes it is also a problem with the device. So just try switching the device, try logging in with the same account, and if your same account is causing a problem on the other laptop or PC as well, that means there might be an issue with the account. So you can create a fresh account and see if that is working properly. So maybe there is some kind of account restrictions here, and maybe because of that it is not working. Also in the gear icon, what you can do is just click on the create option and make sure when you go to the creations, your creations should not be unplayable. So right now it is set to public, but if it is unplayable, it's showing here, you will see a questionnaire here. You need to fill in that questionnaire in order to make it public. You publish that, submit it, and then you should be able to see this status. So this could be a problem as well. So these are a couple of solutions that might work for you to resolve the error code 533 in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.